Welcome. I'm Natalie, the pastor's daughter or assistant. And today I'm going to read Daniel's Friends and the Fiery Furnace from Daniel 3. Please look up here. There will be characters. Let's begin. One day, the king of Babylon set up a big statue, golden statue, I should say. He told the people, horns and pipes will play. When you hear the music, bow down, worship the statue. If you don't, I will throw you into a big fire. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego knew they could only worship the one true God. So let's put them up there. Because next, they'll be very important. When they heard the music, they did not bow down. So here's another guy who bowed down because he's good. Someone told the king. He called Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Bow down and worship the statue. He said, but they said, we will never worship a statue. The king was very angry. He called his servants. Here's the servants. And let's make him mad. Roar. Make the fire as hot as you can and throw these men into it, he said. So the helpers made a hot, hot fire. Let's move these guys over. This guy, we don't need him anymore. Bye, see ya, bye-bye. We can put this guy, this tinier him there. He'll still be at the statue, like, hey, statue. And we'll make the servants right here. These are Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They are ready. So his helpers made a hot, hot fire. They threw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego into the fire. Throw them in there. They're in. But the king could not believe his eyes. Suddenly there were 4 men in the fire. Let's make a 4th man. One looked like a son of God. They were walking around. They were not burning. Come out, the king said. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego came out. They were not burned. They don't even smell like smoke. The king was amazed. He praised God. He knew God had saved them. Well, let's make him happy now, because he is happy. Now, I'm going to finish here saying that here's the lesson for today. That you should never be scared, because God will always be with you, just like he was with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Thank you, and join us again.